In this question, it is given that A1, A2, A3 up to AN are in arithmetic progression. Okay. Then find the value of this. Since A1, A2, A3 up to AN are in AP, I will write A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3 is equal to go on AN minus 1 is common difference D. Now you take sign on both sides. Sin A2 minus A1 is equal to sin A3 minus A2 is equal to sin A4 minus A3 is equal to sin AN minus 1 is sin D. So what is given? LHS is equal to cosecant A1 cosecant A2 plus cosecant A2 cosecant A3 cosecant A3 cosecant A4. It goes on like this up to cosecant AN minus 1 cosecant AN. Convert that into sine. I will get 1 by sin A1 sin A2 plus 1 by sin A2 sin A3 plus 1 by sin A3 sin A4 up to 1 by sin AN minus 1 sin AN. Now I will multiply numerator and denominator with sin D. So it is 1 by sin D into sin D by sin A1 sin A2 plus sin D by sin A2 sin A3 plus sin D by sin A3 sin A4 up to sin D by sin AN minus 1 sin AN sin AN minus 1. Now 1 by sin D. In the place of sin D in numerator, I will put sin A2 minus A1 for the first term. Sin A1 sin A2. In the second term, I will put sin A3 minus A2 because A3 minus A2 is D, A2 minus A1 is D. Here I will put sin A2 sin A3. Then you have sin A4 minus A3 by sin A3 sin A4. It goes on like this up to last one. It is sin AN minus 1 by sin AN minus 1 into sin AN. 1 by sin D multiplied by sin A minus B formula you apply sin A2 cos A1 minus cos A2 sin A1 divide each term with sin A1 sin A2 plus sin A3 cos A2 minus cos A3 sin A2 divided by each term you divide by sin A2 sin A3 and it is sin A2 sin A3. It goes on like this and finally I will write sin AN cos AN minus 1 minus cos an sin an minus 1 divided by sin an minus 1 cos sin an sin an minus 1 sin an. So this is 1 by sin d multiplied by, here sin a2 cancels, you get cot a1 minus, here sin a1 gets cancels, you will get cot a2, here a3 cancels, here a2 cancels, you get cot a2 minus cot a3. It goes on like this up to cot an minus 1 minus cot an. Here, second term cot a2 and the third term gets cancelled. Fourth will cancels with the next term. This cancels with the previous term. So what finally remains is 1 by sin b multiplied by, first one was cot a1 minus cot an divided by last one by denominator we have already taken. Nothing is there in the denominator. So this will become cot a1 minus cot an divided by sin d. Now d can be anything. In the option you have a2 minus a1. This would be the answer.